your bike out, huh?
You're ready.
Ready for it.
You're ready, yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit chilly out here. It's a little bit cold, but hey, thank you guys for watching. This is a short thing, part one, a little series I've been working on. We're heading off to the car meet now. We got some videos coming soon for y'all, man. We got New York City, 5 boroughs. We got Philly, crazy story about an oxtail cheesesteak. Then we got Hawk's Nest, a crazy ride, some beautiful views. We're almost there. Oh yeah, there they go right there. It's cold out here, man. Y'all stay tuned for the cold start. Shout out my guy Fred again for the invite, man. Not.Another.Ricer. Yeah, they got the whips out, man. What's up? Yeah. What's up, Uncle? Yeah, man. I know my guy Fred since elementary school, man. Yes, sir. You. Yo, where Fred at? Let's do this cold startup, man. Where my keys? Yeah. Hold on. How my keys real quick. Hold on. Let's do this cold startup. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, man, I can't wait till it's warm out, man. Yeah, this car meet was wavy though, man. Shout out Not.Another.Ricer. Saw some old friends out here, man. Some interesting cars, some great builds, man. Shout out to everybody that came out. Yo, it's too cold, bro. Yeah, I gotta slide up on out of here, man. Yes, sir. Big shout out. Oh, yeah, big shout out to everybody, man. I pulled up. It's cold, man. I gotta get going.